Hey everyone, welcome back to tenorshare Official. Today is the official launch day of the iPhone 17, and I've already got mine right here. Many of you should be getting yours soon too. But while testing it out, I noticed an issue being reported. The iPhone 17 camera sometimes shows a strange problem when taking photos. About 1 out of every 10 pictures could have a small black square. This issue happens in rare cases, when bright LED lights directly hit the camera, like at concerts or understage lighting. Apple has already acknowledged this, and they've confirmed a fix is coming in iOS 26, which is rolling out very soon for iPhone 17 users already. This year, the iPhone 17 series actually brings a lot of upgrades, stronger hardware, new features like the front camera supporting landscape shots, and smarter AI scene detection. Honestly, it's a big leap forward. Still, this camera glitch shows the launch might have been a little rushed. The good news is, it doesn't really affect your daily use, and with the software update already rolled out, there's nothing major to worry about. Here's my advice. If you're setting up your iPhone 17, install the update during activation. If you already activated, just update through settings. But here's something you need to know. iOS 26 has just been released, so Apple's servers are under heavy pressure right now. If you update through settings, you might experience lag or slow downloads. That's why I recommend using iTunes to update. Or even better, you can use tenorshare Reboot, lets you upgrade your iPhone to the latest iOS 26 with just one click. And if you find iOS 26 not working well or running slow, you can also downgrade back to iOS 18 while keeping and restoring all your data. Okay, what do you guys think? Would this kind of issue bother you if you just bought the iPhone 17? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to tenorshare Official for the latest iPhone news. See you in the next one.